Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to create realistic grass in Blender. First, clear the scene by pressing A to select everything and delete it. Next, add a plane to the scene by pressing Shift plus A and selecting Plane. Now, let's set up our workspace. Split the layout by right-clicking the plus button on the top right corner and dragging left. Switch the new pane to the shader editor. To texture the grass, download a grass image from the internet. Search for grass on Google and select an image you like. In Blender, add new material, press Shift plus A, add an image texture node, and import your downloaded image. Switch to Material Preview to see the texture applied. For the grass geometry, go to the Particle Properties tab, add a new particle system, and set it to hair. Adjust the number to 4000 and set the hair length to 0.4 meters. Enable Advanced Settings, then increase the Brownian value under the Physics tab to make the grass more natural. To add density, go to the Children tab, choose Interpolated, and fine-tune the values to your preference. And there you have it. Your grass setup is complete. Feel free to experiment with the settings to make it even more realistic.